Welcome to a talk with Robert J. Caron of Caron Law Office in Providence, Rhode Island. In this video series, Attorney Caron will discuss some of his primary areas of practice, which include criminal law, family law, commercial fishery, personal injury, civil rights violations, and criminal record expungement.
Another part of my practice is family law. I've been doing that since I went out on my own as well. There can be nothing more heartbreaking than family splintering over whatever the issues may be. I certainly would encourage families, certainly with children, to do everything that you can to try to make it work. But if you can't make it work, then we can get you through the family court. And there can be a life after family court, and you've got to look at the circumstance and be able to keep yourself in check, and with the advice and counsel from me, hopefully get through it without more bloodletting than is necessary in the family court. Sometimes the divorce is the only solution. Couples have tried other things, and now the decision has been made to go forward. There are children. That makes it the most difficult. A custody fight, is very unpleasant for everyone. And if it's a full-blown custody battle, someone's going to come out on the losing end. With family law, domestic relations, divorce, child custody, it's best to try and play a role in your own destiny post family court proceedings. Try to work out an agreement. Probably not going to make everyone 100% happy, but truly, at the end of the day, it disrupts the family the least. It's the most civilized, a way to approach it, and likely it's in the best interest of the child or children who are caught in the middle of this. But I have tried many cases, full-out trials, relocation cases. I can remember one in particular that involved allegations of infidelity, and there was significant resources in this family, and the mother wanted to relocate out of state with the 3 children, take the children. It's a tough case, and there are 15 factors which the court must consider as case law has developed in that area of law in the state. The court must consider all those factors. But years ago we would say, gee, someone thinks they're going to take 3-4 kids and move to Illinois. That's good luck doing that. And that kind of was the way that the law developed. But now the courts see it as, look, there are factors that we need to look at. Is there a job opportunity for that person that wants to relocate? What are the family ties to this new location? Will the non-custodial parent have an ability to be able to travel? I mean, travel is cheaper in many circumstances depending on the route that is involved. So all of those things would come into consideration. I think that it's still an uphill battle when someone moves or desires to relocate and move children out of state or even out of the country, but it can be done. And no matter what side of that argument you may be on, I know how to approach it, and I've been involved in those cases.